Welcome, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are starting. Give me just 1 second, and then I will be right back. Let me put on some music. Yeah, something like this. So, I'm going to make this like this. And here we are. Welcome, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear future kings, bosses, winners. Just give me 1 second. So, perfect. Welcome. Thank you for this waiting. I just had to check something technical. All right. So here we are back again. Our freshly week started. And for the first thing, nothing in this stream is financial advice. Everything in this stream is only for educational purposes and also some entertainment. And yeah, let us start. Let me just, okay, I will put it like this, because for me the music is a little bit too loud, but you should hear me very well. The music should also be fine. My terrible English is also terrible fine. And let's see what the markets did today. Yeah, as I mentioned, so I posted in the previous streams. We had a situation. I had this trend line here, and this is simply what I wanted to see. Okay, breaking above and testing this. But now we can see this was on Friday, nothing special. So this is a good first confirmation. Now we'll see how the market will react, okay? This was a little bit it was possible to trade long here, but for me this don't look very, it doesn't look clean. Maybe here looked even better, but here it was still very bullish. So before this breakout of this small range here, it looked very bearish. So we'll wait if the market comes back testing again, otherwise we will test it, we will trade above here, but no problem. It was just, I was waiting for a little bit better so that the market touches a little bit better, but it has not, so no problem. Yeah, still no positions yet. I was very near to open a position on Bitcoin, but I was waiting for 1, 2, 3 confirmations that I didn't see, so I just waited. As always, the market is always a little bit different, so it's never always the same like you want it, but it's a long-term game, so it's no problem, because you see here also on the 4-hour, it looked kinda as it broke down. Okay, we have this big support here, okay, and this body, the body of this 4-hour candle, it has broken this too. Okay, it was a little break here, and this was a liquidity grab, as I told you already in the last streams. Also put a video on TikTok. So yeah, I was, to be honest, expecting some of the market will be here, okay? So I wanted this to close bullish. It closed bullish, but I wanted to see a little bit of better retest. But yeah, you can't expect the market to be that perfect, but in overall, we prepared this zone. You can see it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that this level was clean, okay? You could easily let me just you could easily trade this here somewhere around, and you would be up now 3.5 with a stop loss of 3.5. So you had already a 1-to-1 stop loss on break even and let it ride, okay? But you see how long does it took. If you missed here, I already talked about this. I'm talking every time about this. When you see the market like this, okay, and you think, oh, I will be missing this move, what do you see? It came down. But just when it comes down, you must be ready, okay? Not that you miss it again. So keep that always in mind. Otherwise, you will see the market above here. It's no problem. This is not a big problem, okay? Let me just see what because I have some markets to analyze, because yesterday I did not finish, so, but nothing special, I have to tell you. This is nothing so special right now. Nothing really interesting that I really do care. We've marked our zones out. We will see what the reaction on radium is going to be here. Let me just put this mic a little bit closer. So we'll see what the reactions will be here at this broken support that now flipped into resistance with the first test. Now we'll see the second test, if it will break above and flip this again to support or not. We'll see later, tomorrow maybe. Yeah, you see here, as we marked out exactly how the market reacted, exactly how the market traded. Okay, you see here, we marked this zone. Peanut is a little bit more risky one, but no problem. We marked this. You see, it came down, it confirmed a bit sharply, but you could try. You could try to trade something. Yeah, maybe 10% stop loss. You will be up now 70% of the price, not of the portfolio. But now it's sitting here on our support that flipped into resistance with this confirmation. Now we have the second test, so we'll leave that marked. I will just put this alert on radium in case that it gets, because I want to see this level. I really like this level. So if the markets come here, I will be alerted. Same on peanut, I have to see. Let's try, maybe we can actually catch something here. I will just watch out for a level like this. All right, if the market reaches here, we will check. This is at our point now. So we covered this. Okay, MPC looks also very, very, very good. I'm waiting for a last confirmation, and then we will have positions soon, dear ladies and gentlemen. We will have positions soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe later, but this forms very well. This forms very well. So we will see, because I'm just also checking the 4 hours. So I see, okay, this could flip just from the simple view, okay? Just we don't rush, okay? Because yeah, we can see it could maybe be that this is a new zone, and if they're holding here, it could easily flip. So I will be waiting for this to confirm again, or maybe if it closes like this, then maybe we could have positions. But yeah, let's see how the market will perform. Because if we can't find anything here, we can easily wait what happens here in the next days or weeks. Yeah, let us see. No rush, but it's everything ready. On MPC, what I want to see, to be honest, I'm going to mark this out also with my... I want to see a test again into this level. Okay, if it tests again in the middle of this level, I'm going to enter long. We'll see, or maybe we will also trade here. It's not too late, because we're still under this last week valley area low. Okay, the point of control is up. Okay, there are falling point of controls. We are in a bearish trend, but you see here this rejection. It was from today, from 9 in the morning. It tried to break, it did not break. So if you go to 30 minutes, you see how beautiful this, especially after this one, and easy, you could easily enter here. But I can see, because you will be still, you always have to watch for ranges, okay? So first you identify this confirmation, okay? But you also have to keep in mind that you also have to make these combinations, okay? Because you see here, what do we see here? It's a range high, it's a range low. So better trade here for a long, or wait till the market comes again back and we trade here. Also look for these setups, but don't trade in the middle, because the market could break easily up or down, okay? This is just simple theory, and you will adapt this to the... Because here it really can be that the market will push everything down. So don't just rush, be precise with your small time frame analysis. This is why I'm waiting. As I saw this, I'm expecting maybe it will just break and go long. It doesn't matter. We will act accordingly. But for now, I want to see here. I just want to see that it pushes back again here, and then we'll have some positions maybe, because I also wanted that this level is getting touched. So okay, we'll follow that. But this looks very ready. Okay, then what do we have on SUE? Okay, so you see we marked out this level that here could be a reaction, but for us, what we want to trade, we just decided not to make a middle level. But it would have been, okay? It would have been right. It's not wrong, but yeah, if the market comes here, I really want to wait for this or this, okay? I don't want to confuse, because I have on other levels, but as I marked out, you see this reaction, so you have plenty of opportunities, okay? And maybe the next week, if this forms like this, this will be our new low. It's no problem. It will come again back. So we'll see. This is just nothing happening here. We have our alerts. Okay, we'll leave it by this. Then we're moving on to Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin the same. You see, sometimes you're marking out something and it just maybe not perfect. Maybe it was this, but it's okay. This is no need to rush, okay? It did not touch our zone, so we are just not rushing anything, okay? We're just going to leave it as it is. Okay, we're going to also do this. I'm going to recheck all this analysis. Okay. This was actually, you see, we marked this as a support long level. And now you can see this combination, okay? It broke through this. This looks like a pullback in 4 hours. It doesn't have to mean. But if we get a kind of rejection here, it could be, let me show you. It easily could maybe be something like this on Pepe, okay? And we will entry here short. This could be an idea, okay? Maybe it grabs some stops here. It can also be. Or the second scenario is that this resistance that was broken and now it's at a confirmation to flip it to support. If this fails and it gets back again above, it could easily be that this turns again long. And this just was a liquidity grabbing, and then you will have something like a shoulder, head and shoulder, and then we were trading this long. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be for sure some position. Yeah, we will just wait. I will mark this alert because I have to know now. I need two scenarios, okay? I need this breaking above, or I need this level here if it gets back. Okay. So maybe I see a rejection here, or it will break through and then I will be alerted what happened. But it is on our zone, so I will mark this blue just to be ready if I check a bit later. All right. Then we are moving on to Dogecoin. We already covered, yeah, nothing special. Yeah, you see on XRP, we decided to, yeah, this is, I already told you, this looks so, oof. Because normally this should be a short level, but we don't know what the market is going to do. It grabbed a really big liquidity. We have some interesting trend line over here. Let me just see if this was exactly the, yeah, it was, okay, not exactly, but it was near. This was our old trend line, but now it's not valid. I want to see a fresh one. Yeah, maybe this flips again to be support zone, buy zone for us. But I just want to see a reaction, okay? It's not on our level, but I want to see. It must come back inside, okay? Something around, yeah, it just needs to come back, okay? So we'll make this alert here, because for bullish scenario and for bearish scenario, okay? So if it accepts above here, then we can simply wait how it confirms, okay? Okay, so when we see something like this, okay, then we will check. I know my drawing is always perfect, and the market is not always perfect like I draw, but just for you to be prepared, okay? If it pushes back, then maybe we see something like this. Yeah, we will see. Maybe we trade here short. Yeah, let's really see. Let him perform this. BTC also. This was a volatile pushback, no problem. It will test again and test again. But as always, we chill, we don't rush. Maybe it will come back again. So, as I talked earlier, I'm just going to make this exactly this level. I will be marking for a alert. I just want to see Bitcoin coming back here again. Maybe it won't come, but if it's come, I'm definitely gonna check this one, okay? Whatever he does in the middle, I'm not interested in, okay? Nice. Nice. This is I'm going to delete. Just simply by that. Just remove this one. Okay, now we move on to Ethereum, because yesterday I did not analyze this, I did not finish. So we're just going to continue. No rush, the markets will come at our levels, you see here already. We're going to remove these old tests and old trades, no problem. We don't need this. We want to have clear charts. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. And then I'm simply first going to put my volume profile, weekly volume profile, so that I can see, simply to see how this formation looks like. Okay, we see we are under this very low, but we see it is a, because this looks bearish, okay? This was a fake out, it confirmed bearish. So, Ethereum, poor guy, but let's see. Maybe it can do something for us. I'm just going by the 4 hours, and let me check something, because we have here beautiful levels. I'm going to keep this level. This one I'm going also to mark like Bitcoin, just like this, okay, as a middle level, because I really want to trade from here till it's 14%, so it should not be should not put a lot of zones. But as you can see, for the Monday, this was, so it should be Sunday, so this level I want to leave. And you see our first reaction on Ethereum, so maybe if it pulls back tomorrow, we could see something here. I want to see if this, this was already Monday. This was already Monday, but we have maybe, okay, now it looks like Bitcoin, okay? So you see that the Bitcoin moved, and then this moves. It's sometimes they're moving in a correlation, afterwards they're coming very close to each other, then they are moving away from the correlation. It's always like this. We're just waiting and observing. Once it performs or formed the level, we will catch the trade. And this is just one of the hardest things that I saw with trading. Is just this discipline of waiting and not really care if you could or should or not. You just make your plan and you're just playing after your plan. Some losses, good wins, and you're fine to go. And not overcomplicating things, not falling in love with the markets. And then trading it's very simple, you know. You can go sleep very quietly, okay? So don't have rush here to search for goddamn something. Here is perfect. You see how this rejection looks? This is blindly a trade. I trade this blindly. While I'm sleeping, I'm trading this. While I sleep and dream, I imagine, and the position opens itself. Okay? But here, wait. Just wait. Because don't forget, this is also a support level that is now somehow broken. So it's a game between these two. Okay? Between this low and this low. We will let him confirm. I will turn this into red for a short. And more we don't have really that much here, because I can't really on this level more than just on this. It already grabbed liquidity. I'm going to mark another one here, because I also see something here very, very disgusting in the middle. Let me just mark this out. We'll see how the market will react. Something around here. Then what I want to see here, if the market pushes, yeah, we'll just let this level here, this alert. Oh, we have some negative delta. And if it pulls back, let me just check. This was the last level. We don't have anything here. Let me see this range real quick. This was actually the last level. Here is the last level. Let me go to the smaller time frame. Okay, this 1 hour formed here something. So we wanna, okay, you see, always don't forget 3000 is a big number. So it will also have, it will always happen bigger things at bigger numbers than normally. So we're just simply going to mark exactly 3000. If it pushes back, we'll see what we can do here. All right. Good. Then we will just simply remove this one and add one here. Good. What can we put also? What can we do also? Nothing from down. This already broke down here, so I'm not going to search for these combinations. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to put this here, just to see for the future what will the reaction be. This we can also remove. We don't need this. We go to the 1 hour and check if it is clean. Nothing that important, just combinations, so maybe we got a new level in the future here. Then we always can be ready. Okay, this looks, yeah, it looks okay. I will be looking tomorrow for some trades here on Ethereum. So to be honest, no rush. It is a very beautiful level to trade. Very, very beautiful. So you're actually gonna check the daily also. All right, yeah. This will give us something tomorrow, I'm sure. Right now, it is not on our level. All right. So Ethereum, we finished. Oh, Solana, my dear friend. What are we going to do with you now? Let us finish this analysis. Also, we'll be putting our weekly volume profile. I'm gonna put this like this. Yeah, I don't have to talk too much because it look everything the same. We just have to wait for some better confirmations. It just freshly started, so yeah, FLADE the ruler, Mr. FLADE on X. Hit a follow on X. I will keep you updated on some market updates, on some positions, and also position updates, and also when I'm going to be live. Check out my TikTok also, Mr. FLADE FFI. Check it out. I have very few some shorts and some videos, explanations. You can always go check that, or just watch my live stream, whatever you want to do. But for us, yeah, it looks already very clean. There is no much to talk about here. It's just more we wait, and then it will just perform. It will just give us the setup. This is no problem. We're just going to simply mark out some levels, and this is the first one I want to mark out. This is the second one I want to mark out for the future. Okay, something like this. Yeah, this is also freshly level in my opinion. What I want to see, do we have some big numbers? No, we don't have. But we want to see a pushback to this level, 175, that we can look for some longs here. This is going to be, it looks the same like Ethereum and Bitcoin, so why should I repeat myself? We just need to wait who is going to move first, who's going to give us a better confirmation. So maybe Solana gives us a better confirmation than Ethereum or Bitcoin, or the other way, doesn't matter. This is why I'm watching out for this. We are going also to mark out this level. Yeah, this was just Saturday and a Monday. Okay. This was actually Monday. Okay, well, we will not overcomplicate it. It's just too far away somehow. If the market reaches something like this, yeah, who's going to watch for this? Maybe in the near future, but not now. Nothing so important right now. Okay, Solana, same as Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are just going to wait. Nothing special to say. It's also grabbing liquidity. We'll see what it will do. So yeah, just don't rush. It's okay. Looks nothing that over special, so we need to be over hyped or over excited, just keeping things as they are. And now you see what I mean. Okay, so maybe not the other markets, but maybe this looks somehow, if this gives us a confirmation. Yeah, it already opened, this new 4-hour candle. Yeah, let's see. Maybe this could be a move to the upside. Maybe. Let me remove this test here. Alright, this looks very clean. Alright, I'm also here going quickly over this volume profile as always. Always 1 week I'm putting, but you also can do a whole fixed range. It's also a good tool to watch out, but this is enough for me. I will show you this in another time. For example, For example, let me show you. You have 3 weeks, 3 exactly weeks, but it's just sideways. So you could simply take this to here, and then you will see where the strongest point of control is. Okay, but yeah, it's just a combination that you can also make. But we are now looking into something here. I don't know why this looks so big. These levels, they look so big somehow. This is a little bit annoying. It's too big. It's going to be like my stop loss. I don't want this. Just going to make it smaller a bit. Yeah, something like this. I'm just going to refresh that a bit here so that we have actually a bit smaller levels, not so big levels. All right. This is going to be all right, something like this I like more. Also here why is this level so complicated one? Just put something like this. Yeah, this looks perfect. This looks absolutely fine. And the levels are a bit clearer, and not so, just not so big. This broke down. It's actually Monday. Let me cook, ladies and gentlemen, let me cook. Yeah. This is that what I wanted. Yeah, it's nearly the same thing, you know. I'm just going to grab this one and I will put it exactly here. I will just simply watch if it hits again. If it hits again, maybe we can watch for something. Otherwise, it looks very bearish in my opinion. So I won't be risking a lot on this here. But let me check. This trend line looks somehow very clean. Oh, god damn it. Something. Ah, yeah, this is more what I like. This is more what I like. Let me go to the 1 hour. This could be a very, very interesting play. So this week is going to be very great. We just have to be a little bit more focused and watch if they really want to continue along. If they really want to I think this looks perfect. Alright, this looks very fine. We have this trend line. Okay. Alright, yeah, this is nothing special. It remains the same here. Short levels. It is also, I'm repeating and repeating myself. So this is a support that just broken. It's not tested yet. Here we have the support from this area zones. So we'll just see this is freshly touched. Maybe it will move straight up, then we will be trading here, or we'll wait here for this level. Nothing special, dear ladies and gentlemen. So really, we can easily sit back and just not worry too much. And also, if we don't trade this week, there is going to be a next week, so it will always be the same, okay? So you really don't need to... But this is actually a very good move to the downside, a very good move. So we could have some chance. I will move this test. We'll have some very beautiful storytelling here. We'll save that. We go over to injective. What is our injective doing? Yeah, we will also small this level all injective because this looks so big. I don't like this somehow. And we have a distance here, 15%. It could be something for us. Okay. I'm going to remove this. We're just simply going to watch out. The better you get this done, the better your trades will be. So it's simply in your hands how much time and effort you put in your analysis. This just will decide how profitable you are going to be. So it's your own really own decision. Nobody's forcing you to. If you don't want to analyze and if you want to trade riskier and then you want to lose more, here you go. Do it. How you just want. Nobody's forcing you. All right. Yeah, I'll keep this like it. This is exactly the level that I want to have. Because we have plenty opportunities here on injective. Yeah, this could be something. I like these distances. These distances are pretty fine. Yeah, we will keep it like this. This I will put in red. this level. I don't know what exactly to do here, but yeah, we could maybe do something like this. Then we will see the reaction here. Let me just prepare this. And also I want exactly, you see, injective gave this perfect setup here. So you see, always have your analysis ready before the new week begins. And then you would be alerted on this. But I'm still waiting for confirmation. Don't worry, I will not miss something like this. I'm still waiting that the market touch this level again, because from my experience I am expecting bearish. If not, we're going to see. Tomorrow or in 2 days it's going to be very important. It's going to be, they're going to decide which direction they want to go. So we're just going to simply put this exactly here. I want to see this test of the 19. Okay, we're going to save that. I'm simply just going to also put my weekly inside. Beautiful. Also point of control is up, but it looks very bearish. Yeah, that is, yeah, not so good. Trend line, no trend lines for this. We will just leave it as it is. All right, we have beautiful levels, beautiful setups. We'll just wait, nothing special right now. I will just save this. This also was a very good scalp, for sure. If you scalp this with order book, order flow and footprint, you could scalp something very crazy here. Yeah. Bong also, okay. It's touching our level. I like Bong somehow now, because you see here I just simply did not want to trade Bong here, because you see what this just looks like, sideways, down, up, fake out. But now it's good. We wait for this. I also told you, we don't trade here. We just wait. If it comes here, we could maybe catch something. Maybe. Depends how it performs. But this looks solid in my eyes. This looks very solid. Just have to check why these levels are so big. Damn it. I'm going to put my weekly. All right. This is simply good. These levels. I'm just going to leave this as it is. Won't be complicating too much here. I just want to see a test at this zone here. Yeah, exactly this is what I want to see. This we're just going to put like this. We also are going to put some just to mark out some middle points here. Okay, this is one. Also we have here one. Oh, I hate this magnet. So, perfect. Yeah, nothing more to say. It is at our support, so we're going to mark this blue and I'm going to watch. Maybe overnight there will be something. But also no need to rush. Really no need to rush. I'm just going to save this and leave this as it is. Save. Okay. Yeah, this looks ready. So you already saw with me that a lot of we have three markets. We have peanut, we have pepe, we have bonk that are sitting at our support or resistance lines. They are simply just ready to be traded. But you also see some other markets that are near our zones. So tomorrow or Tuesday it's going to be Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow in 2 days we'll see. I think it's going to be very good. Okay, we just simply move on. Inch, it's good. Yeah, BNB also nothing much to say. It did not nothing special, okay? Really nothing special. Just dancing around here in this middle point. Didn't even not touch this, it touched this level. So we could simply move this up like this. Exactly at this point of control. Yeah, we'll be fine for that. We have a precise zone here. Yeah, this is something I really don't like here at BNB, but yeah, we'll see what we maybe can do with this market. Just looks so boring and so I really don't prefer to trade that, but it should be ready, okay? There is not the point loving something or not loving something, it's just ready. Maybe it gives this one 3A plus setup, then we better not miss it, okay? But if not, I'm just not going to rush to trade this. Yeah, it's not even... We're going to just delete this one. Okay, moving on to one of the last markets. Flocky, you see Flocky, nearly the same as Bonk. They are in a coloration, so don't worry, you won't be missing anything. And as you can see, there is nothing. There is simply nothing. So we analyzed this so perfect. We don't need to correct too much. Just going to put this level here. We're going to save this alert. We're going to remove this one. We are going to put our weekly profile. All right. This looks good. I don't want this. I want it like this. Just simply like this. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna let this because there is nothing more to change in my opinion. This is just sitting as it needs to sit. We're going to remove this level. Instead, we're going to use this one. Good. We're going to remove this level. Don't even know why I just put this one. It is kind of a middle point. Alright, this is also at our zone. But you know, this is a big stop loss. Maybe half this size. I'm going to half this one. It looks more clean like this, you know. Don't need to be so much big. Looks complete fine. Completely fine. Perfect, 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 perfect. We're going to save this one. Okay, now so now our 15 markets are ready. Clean analysis, okay, we have our clear plans. We have our alerted set it, and I think tomorrow or in 2 days we're going to have positions, okay? So, yeah, a lot of markets are in the near or at our zones. We are going to let them confirm. They're just going to confirm, or they're going to break it or fake it, so it doesn't matter. We're just going to wait a little bit, then we will have clear confirmation. And then I will update you on some longs or some shorts that I'm going to take. And yeah, we'll see us in the next stream. And thank you for watching. I know analysis are boring. It's not very interesting, but it is very important for trading. So you have to keep that in mind, okay? And as the times goes on, I will also do more educational stuff, but just very important, always. As I'm doing it, I have my 15 charts here, the biggest or my favorite charts, number 1. Number 2, I'm just putting simple support and resistance lines. I check out for some trend lines, if possible. I check out for my weekly profiles, okay? And then I'm marking my alerts. And this is what I'm going to do 15 times, okay? So per week, this is, yeah, I'm waiting literally for 30 levels. So I only need 3 good confirmations of these 30 levels, and that'll be fine, you know. This is the goal. And then for the trade, I'm going in the deeper time frame, everything between 30 minutes and 1 hour, and then I go in the order flow and the footprint chart. I'm checking 5 minutes and 50 minutes. Some oscillators I'm also checking. Will show you everything. But you don't need this deep insight if you don't get this, okay? You must learn this discipline, and then you can move on. Just first focus on this discipline. So if the market is here and it takes 1 month, you will wait 1 month. You will not trade. Just simple as that. Just simple. It will always come to new levels, new highs, new lows. So don't worry about that. For this sake, thank you very much. I'm just going to check something, and then this will be it for the stream. All right. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. I will keep you updated on X, Twitter, however you wanna name it, Mr. FLADE. I will keep you updated on some market analysis, market updates, also positions that I'm going to open, also updates on these positions, also times when I go to stream, also when I'm going to be live. Everything I cover in X. Also you can check also you can see everywhere in my bio, my description, you can see the names. You can check my TikTok, Mr. FLADE. Then you can educate yourself while I'm building more content and building more stuff that is going to come. And for this saying, have a quiet sleeping, quiet night, quiet evening later on, and enjoy. We will see us very soon, my champions. Peace out.